Welcome back to Blakeney and Gardener's Cottage, which we've not visited for a while now. It's been letting out over the early summer season. We've just had a 2-week let. We're overdoing a changeover at the moment. Cleaning team's been in. It's all looking very nice. Hallway going up to the first floor. The garden really is starting to look late summerish now, but we've still got a good deal of colour on. We'll take you and show you a little bit around there. Snug area here in the front with dual aspect over the garden, giving a beautiful light for most of the summer season with aspects through onto the garden and through into the kitchen. Usually photograph this with all the lights on, but we're just giving you a natural feel at the moment because it's a little overcast here today. It's doing what English summers normally do, start beautiful blue skies, clouds over a little and cools down during the day and then clears up in the evening. Courtyard garden out the back is really lovely and lush now. We've done a lot of cutting back earlier in the season to let more light in, particularly taking this massive fig tree back, which was really overpowering it, but now it's looking quite tropical again with the wisteria and roses over in the far distance, really growing lushly, and the bay tree in the foreground just picking that up. Pine trees still doing their thing, a touch of blue sky. It's looking not bad really for a Friday turnaround. Middle of setting everything up for the guests, changing throws. Cleaning team, as I say, has been in, just checking everything open and making sure everything works. Garden's looking very nice at the moment, as I said. Crocosmia is coming into its own. Hollyhocks, which are a feature of this cottage garden, in full swing now. Buddleias just coming to the end of their flowering period. Roses have done, but some of the agapanthus here are really looking nice. Wasn't expecting much from this one in this dark recess under the fig tree, but just look at it. Mass of flowers. Very droughted though, and they're all dependent. Drooping a little bit. We've given everything a good water. More agapanthus here. And again, these ones that have been planted out here for a couple of years now, really doing well. So the garden generally is a lovely area for guests to enjoy. Private area here in the centre of Blakeney with these characteristic flint and cast stone capped walls. So peaceful, as you can hear here. We're off the beaten track a little bit, so there's no cars going past or road noise here. Just the doves and wood pigeons, seagulls, and the occasional aircraft going over. But usually this is an absolutely beautiful and wonderful sunny relaxing space for guests to enjoy. There are 5 bedrooms here at Gardener's Cottage. This one at the rear of the property overlooks that little courtyard that we showed you earlier, with the French doors giving you access directly onto that and through into the kitchen. It's a little quirky, the layout we've got here. Nice king size low level bed, dual bedsides with lamps, and a little private seating area with a TV stashed in that cupboard for you to get away if the party's a little too rowdy for you. And we did say quirky, the layout here. We've got the utility room off this bedroom, but again with a linking door that goes across that courtyard to the kitchen, so it does make a little bit of sense. And there are 2 bathrooms on this floor, so it kind of works in a quirky fashion. First bathroom's just off to the right here. And if I go through into the other downstairs bedroom, which is one of my favourites with the carved 4-poster bed, bedside lamps, looking back over the front of the property. And this one's really got a fantastic ensuite bath and shower room. Low level loo, nice large walk-in shower, and the lovely bath with ball and claw feet. Really nice light dual aspect bathroom this. Upstairs we've got a further 3 bedrooms, so let's take you up the painted wooden stairs and we'll go off towards the larger main, what I call the principal bedroom here at Blakeney. Lovely large open area with that beautiful French upholstered bed. looking back along the long corridor back towards the garden. This bedroom's also got an ensuite shower and bathroom, which we'll just show you. Here we go, another ball and claw French style bath, low level loo and walk-in shower, all tucked neatly into this little area. Back onto the corridor. Shared bathroom for the remaining 2 bedrooms. Shower over that bath, low level toilet and a wash basin tucked just behind the door. This little room overlooks the garden, which is really nice. Very sunny aspect. Looking down over that patio area with the umbrella across the trees, looking south from Blakeney. Double bed, nicely fitted in here, and a single for a family. And then the last bedroom up here is off to the left, with a king size, massive, high level Victorian painted oak bed, which is a real feature. Stands about 3 foot off the floor, that. And 2 singles with a fitted wardrobe into the recess in the loft space. Aspects both ways here. Down over the visitors car park on the high street at Blakeney. And the other aspect overlooking your private garden here at Gardener's Cottage. So I hope that gives you a little idea of the facilities that are on offer here. It's a really nice location within Blakeney Village to stay this. You're off the high street, private parking, private garden, peace and quiet, but still just that far from the high street and access on foot to all the facilities that Blakeney have to offer without ever having to get in your car. So the chance to come and park up for a week and enjoy all this here in the heart of North Norfolk's wonderful heritage coastline. Thanks for watching.